Welcome back. In this chapter, we will learn that through the process of sampling, we try to generalize the characteristics of a population based on our sample, which was selected from that group. The term parameter is associated with the population, and that refers to the information we are interested in. Finding out statistics refers to a corresponding calculated sample statistic. So that comes from our sample directly. So just remember, population goes with parameter and sample goes with statistics, so SSPP. A probability sample design allows us to estimate the extent to which the findings based on one sample are likely to differ from what we would find by studying the entire population. When every member of the population has the same chance of being chosen, we call this a simple random sample. That's the most common one and the best one. We can also do systematic samples, which means every, let's say, for example, 10th member in the total population is chosen for our sample. So for example, maybe you want to take a list and then you take every 7th person of that list, and that is who goes into your sample. That's called systematic sampling. A stratified random sample is obtained by dividing the population first into subgroups based on certain characteristics that you are interested in. And then you draw a simple random sample from each of these subgroups. The sampling distribution is a theoretical probability distribution of all possible sample values for the statistics in which we are interested. The sampling distribution of the mean is the frequency distribution of all possible sample means of the same size that can be drawn from the population of interest. And according to the central limit theorem, if all possible random samples of size n are drawn from a population with the mean and the standard deviation, then as n becomes larger, the sampling distribution of sample means becomes approximately normal. The central limit theorem, therefore, tells us that with sufficient sample size, the sampling distribution of the mean will be normal regardless of the shape of the population distribution. This is not an easy chapter, so if you have any questions, please email me anytime. Remember, I am here to help.